2015 Smart Fortwo replacing the battery. It's under your front passenger side floor. So, floor mat out, grab the carpet at the top, fold it back, best to push the seat all the way back. There's two little clips here. You can spin them off. And they just kind of push on. One up down there and one up near the top above the toe ring. T-O-W, not T-O-E. Place so I can pull this out but not be in the way. You're going to lift the foam piece with your tire goop in your air compressor, and there's the battery. Grab some tools, back in 1 sec. I'm going to go in through the driver's side so I hopefully don't get in your way. All you're going to need is a 10mm wrench or socket. First thing is disconnect the negative battery cable always first. Tuck that down out of the way. Pull the positive battery cover off. There's the positive battery cable off. And now there's a hole down there. It's also a 10mm. Sorry, got to start with the mount again because someone showed up on my driveway. 1 sec. Okay, where were we? Okay, pop the little plastic clip off the mount. Oh, it should be in a little harder than that. And then I started loosening this, so I'll just continue taking it off. The bolt for the battery hold down. And the hose for the battery drain. I'll slip the hold down out. Should come all the way up. Now I can just lift the battery out. I'm gonna have to come to that side to do it. I'm gonna have to move you for a second because I'm gonna have to lift this battery out. Oh, come on. Okay. And there's your battery. This is a Group 47 or H5 battery. So I'll grab the new one and we'll compare the two. Okay, here's the new one. And Group 47 and H5 just refer to the size of the battery. Negatives on this side, positive on this side, same as this one. Let's pop the drain off of this one. Move this out of the way. That is the original battery, and it is a little dead. hose in. Slip the hold down back in. A lot of room in here. Holy cow, come on. Get it. Shoot. I'm gonna put this in and be back in 1 second. No sense you watching me struggle with it. I'm just trying to keep out of your way. Okay, so slip the hole down in. That's a bit more of a pain in the butt than it should be. Pop the hole down underneath. Over top of the bolt. Okay, come on. Why are you? This is a bit more of a pain than it should be. Okay, there we go. Huh. The new battery is not 100% the exact same size. So that's fun. Hold that down, put the bolt on. Wire going back in, positive first. Tighten that. Oops. Stay down there. Negative second. And now we're just going to pop our covers and stuff back in. A little plastic shield for the positive. Pop back in the walls. Oops. And that's it. Thanks for watching.